To buy global X S&P 500 tail risk ETF, or SPDR, or known as XTR in some regions, what you're gonna do, just go ahead and swipe left, hit stocks, and you're gonna find your SPDR or S&P 500 total ETF stocks. Okay, just go ahead right here and hit it, and then what you're gonna do, just hit trade at the bottom right and hit buy, and you're gonna choose the amount. Afterwards, just select or pay with your favorite payment method. You can use USDT, or if you have cash on the side, Apple Pay, whatever. Okay, and let's say, once you select the amount, hit continue, and just like crypto or any other coin, Kraken made it easier to buy stocks. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.